Kling 3.0 is about to drop, and the entire AI video community is losing their minds over it. Now, it's not here yet, but based on early signals from Higgsfield, community discussions, and what's being teased right now, this could be the biggest leap forward in AI video generation we've seen. Today, I'm breaking down everything we know so far, what creators are expecting, and most importantly, how you can get early access the moment it goes live. Let's dive into the hype. Alright, so what exactly is Kling 3.0 and why is everyone so excited about something that isn't even out yet? Here's the thing. Kling 2.6, the current version available right now, is already pretty impressive, but the signals coming from Higgsfield about 3.0 suggest this isn't just an incremental update. This looks like a complete evolution. Based on what we're seeing in community discussions and early previews, here are the three major upgrades people are expecting. First, native 4K output at 60 frames per second. Right now, Kling 2.6 caps out at 1080p. That's fine for most social media, but if you want true cinema quality sharpness, you're limited. The rumor is that 3.0 will support native 4K at 60 frames per second. That's a massive jump in visual quality. We're talking big screen-ready footage. Second, longer and more stable clips. Currently, Kling 2.6 can generate clips around 10 seconds long. With 3.0, the expectation is that we'll see clips pushing closer to 15 seconds with way better consistency. No more weird glitches halfway through or characters suddenly changing appearance. Third, better character and scene memory. This is the one everyone's talking about. Creators want the AI to remember what a character looks like across multiple shots. Your main character shouldn't randomly turn into a different person when you generate the next scene. Early signals suggest 3.0 is pushing hard on this. Stronger continuity, better context awareness, smoother scene-to-scene transitions. If these expectations pan out, this changes everything. Now, let me show you some of the more specific features people are hoping for based on what Higgsfield has been teasing. Improved physics and interactions is another huge expectation. Right now, even the best AI video tools struggle with things like hands touching objects, characters hugging, or cloth moving naturally. We've all seen those weird melting hand glitches. Creators are hoping Kling 3.0 fixes this with better real-world physics, gravity, momentum, contact moments that actually look believable. Macro shots with crispy details is something I'm personally excited about. The expectation is that close-up shots will have way sharper textures and cleaner fine details. Think you zoom in on someone's face and you can actually see skin texture, fabric weave, individual strands of hair. That level of detail makes a huge difference in production quality. So, how does this compare to what we have right now? Let me give you a quick breakdown of Kling 2.6 versus what we're expecting from 3.0. Kling 2.6, the current version you can use today, generates clips up to about 10 seconds, output is capped at 1080p, strong visual realism, but motion consistency can break in complex scenes. Best for short clips, experiments, and demos. Separate steps for generation and refinement. Kling 3.0, what we're expecting. Clips pushing toward 15 seconds with better stability, native 4K at 60 frames per second, rumored, smarter scene understanding and continuity, better physics, fewer glitches, more unified workflow for multi-shot sequences. You can see why people are excited. This isn't just a small improvement. This could be a completely different tier of quality. Now, here's the good news. You don't have to sit around waiting. You can start using Higgsfield right now with the current Kling 2.6 model while 3.0 is being finalized. Let me show you how. Step 1. Go to higgsfield.ai and sign up. Step 2. Once you're in, you'll see a few different models available. For cinematic quality, I recommend trying Cinema Studio. Here's where it gets fun. Use the motion control feature. This is one of the coolest tools on the platform right now. You can upload a reference video of yourself dancing, moving, or acting out a scene, and the AI will copy that exact movement onto any character you generate. So, you could film yourself doing a choreographed dance on your phone, upload it, and then have an AI character perform that exact same routine. The motion transfer is incredibly accurate. It's honestly one of the best I've seen. This is available right now on Kling 2.6. So while we're all waiting for 3.0, you can already start creating seriously impressive content. And when 3.0 drops, you already know the platform inside out, and you'll be ready to take full advantage of the new features. How do you actually get early access to Kling 3.0? Higgsfield has set up an early access waitlist, and if you want to be among the first creators to get your hands on the new models, you need to sign up now. I've dropped links in the description. So, is Kling 3.0 going to change AI video forever? Based on what we're seeing, the 4K rumors, the longer clips, the smarter scene understanding, the better physics, yeah, it's looking that way. But here's my advice. Don't just sit around waiting for it to drop. Start creating now with what's already available. Get familiar with Higgsfield, learn how the motion control works, experiment with the current models, build your workflow. Because when Kling 3.0 does launch, you want to be ready to hit the ground running, not scrambling to figure out the basics while everyone else is already publishing viral content. The barrier to high-quality AI video is about to get even lower. If you've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel, building an AI influencer, or creating your own short films, this is your moment. Alright, if this video got you hyped about what's coming, hit that subscribe button. I'm covering every major AI video update as it drops, and you don't want to miss it. Drop a comment and let me know, what feature are you most excited about in Kling 3.0? Is it the 4K output, the longer clips, the better physics? I want to know what you're looking forward to. Alright, you've got the info, now go sign up for early access, start experimenting with the current tools, and get ready. I'll see you in the next one.